Hey guys, my name is Vivin and I'm the head of marketing at Pro Musicals, and we're super happy to show you 3 new babies here, just released today from Native Instruments. It's the Komplete Audio 1, Komplete Audio 2 and the M32 keyboard MIDI controller. Right, so today we're going to be talking about the M32. In fact, we're going to be doing a little unboxing as well. So let's get straight to it. So open this up. So straight away you can see that you've got your keyboard here, you've got a little card with all the software serials in there and a USB cable here. So let's get it out. There we go. Get rid of this. Take our USB cable from here. Get rid of that. And that's it. Super light, super portable. Don't forget to take this off. There we go. Small format, 32 key MIDI controller. So portable, bus powered. All you need is a USB cable. You connect this to your computer from here. Connect a foot pedal if you like. You're good to go. Let's have a look at the layout. 32 keys, mini size keys. As you can see in my hand here, 32 mini keys. 8 fully assignable knobs, pre-assigned already if you're using with Komplete Kontrol or with the Komplete bundle or any of NKS, Native Instruments NKS standard plugins as well. You've got the 4D encoder here. You can go left, right, top, bottom, push. So it's a 4D push encoder. These 3 lovely buttons, the browse plugin and the track mode, which you can browse through all your sounds of Komplete Ultimate or Collector's Edition or any Komplete sound from here. You've got 2 touch strips, which can usually be pitch and modulation, or you can assign them to any other effect you would like to trigger. You've got your octave down and up. You've got your standard transport controls here. You've got your scale mode, which is there on the Komplete Kontrol A and the S series as well. It's very cool because if you know just to play one key, say for example, if you know to play the C major scale and you want to play all the other scales, just hit on that scale button and you can go through 100 different scales and modes. You got a screen. Very interesting button called the Ideas. That's basically going to give you easy access to your scenes and patterns in Machina. So even though this is complete and this is part of the Komplete world, it can still access Machina, and that's great. So hit that Ideas button for easy access to scenes and patterns from Machine. So basically, yeah, that's about it. So you got your knobs, you got your transport, you've got the scale, Ideas, you got your touch strips, octave, browse, and your 4D encoder, fully bus powered, super small, super light, and that's it. Let's now look at the pricing of these 3 products. The Komplete Kontrol M32 is $12,185. The Komplete Audio 1 is $10,785. And the Komplete Audio 2 is $13,755. And all these 3 products are now available in India through our dealer network. Use the number in the description below to call us and we'll direct you to the dealer close to you. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel and social media pages for more such videos.